Hi, I'm Jason with Rainier Shade. Today I'm going to show you how to install our motorized retractable awning. And also in this video series, you're going to find some installation on the optional hood and our motorized drop mounts. So the first thing you're going to do when you get to your job site is open up your package and check all your contents. Make sure you got everything right. Go ahead and cut. Anytime you cut to open this up, you're going to cut on the hard cardboard corners. You're going to cut one strap at a time. Being careful not to cut too far in so you get the box into the awning. That should knock your cardboard corners loose, leaving you just a few straps that held the box together before they put the corner boards on. So you can cut that one carefully on one of the corners, cut that loose, not cutting too far into the cardboard. So once you get all the corner boards off and the straps cut, you're going to want to get a helper probably to help rotate this. I'm going to have Kyle help me out here and open it up. So you're always going to start with pulling the ends open here. So they're all stapled shut. Be careful of the staples. They are pretty sharp. So, and then once you get that done, you can pry this up. Being careful not to drop anything. Your hood's right here. There you go. So once you've opened up your box, you're going to check your contents to make sure you got everything you need. When you open it up, your hood is going to actually be rolled up in the cardboard up here. The crank is going to be in the box, and then your accessory box is going to be at one end or the other. And then, of course, your awning. Inside the accessory box, you're going to find your mounting brackets, your hood brackets if you ordered a hood, your remote. There's an override crank for your override motor that we always send in there, your motion sensor, and any small parts are going to be in this box. So check that and make sure you have everything you need.